Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at home. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Getting bored at home or enjoying? Do some constructive work. Try to develop new skills and hobby. This time, along with playing or enjoying, we should concentrate on our studies as well. So, it's time to study. Get ready, take your pen and notebook before watching video. Now, I am going to tell you about computer memory. Before that, I want to ask you, what is memory? Can you tell me what is memory? In general terms, memory is the personal record of past experiences. It is the brain's ability to store information, to use it later. You may say, retaining power of our brain to remember things is memory. In terms of computer, memory indicates capacity of computer to hold data, programs and instructions. It is a workspace which tells the size and number of programs, amount of data that can be processed at the same time. Memory has one or more chips on the motherboard. Computer system also have some additional memory devices which store programs, applications, data permanently. There are two types of computer memory, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is inside the computer. It can store a small amount of data only. You can compare primary memory with your brain or blackboard in your classroom, as your brain cannot retain huge amount of data for a long time. You need to recall it again and again, or on the blackboard as well as period will over, data will erased. In the same manner, primary memory store data for a small time, as well as you will switch off computer, data will erased. Secondary memory. You can compare secondary memory with your notebook, as in your notebook all question answers and other things remain for a long time. In the same manner, secondary memory can store huge amount of data and it can remain in computer system for a long time. Now, what is primary memory? Primary memory is the main memory of computer. It is also known as working memory. It is of two types, volatile and non-volatile memory. Volatile memory is temporary memory which is used to store instructions, programs and data that is being processed. When power is turned off or computer is shut down, volatile memory loses its content. So, before turned off computer, we should save our data, while non-volatile memory does not lose its content. Types of primary memory are RAM, random access memory, which is volatile in nature, that is temporary, as well as computer will switched off, data will erased from the system. You may compare it with the short-term memory of your brain, as few things you cannot remember for a long time, like telephone number of a person. Second is ROM, read-only memory, which is non-volatile in nature. Content remain in the system even after switched off of the system. You may compare it with the long-term memory of your brain. Few memorable things you remember for a long time. So last is CMOS memory, complementary metal oxide semiconductor. It is less permanent than ROM and more permanent than RAM. RAM, random access memory. RAM composed of chips. Computer use RAM to store data and instructions. When we turned on computer operating system, and certain files loaded in RAM. These files remain in RAM as long as computer is on, as well as computer turned off, data will erase. So we should save data before turned off computer. RAM stores instructions, programs for processing, processed data, instructions that control basic functions of the computer. Now, try to understand how program instructions transfer in and out of RAM. When we start computer, operating system is loaded in RAM. When we open any program, for example MS Word, MS Excel, the program instructions loaded on RAM. When we exit program, program instructions deleted from RAM. There are three types of RAM: dynamic RAM, static RAM, magnetoresistive RAM. Let us explain them. Dynamic RAM. It is most popular RAM, less costly as technology developed. Number of dynamic RAM developed. Most of they are faster than basic dynamic RAM. First is SDRAM. Synchronous DRAM. More faster and reliable. DDR SDRAM, double data rate SDRAM. Naturally, it will be more faster than SDRAM, as clear by the name. Data transfer rate of DDR SDRAM is double. DDR2, DDR3, DDR4 are second, third and fourth generation DRAM respectively. Their speed is faster as they developed static RAM. It is expensive, efficient and fast. It is used in a small amount to improve performance of the system. That is, speed of the system becomes faster by static RAM. It is stored frequently used instructions. Third is magnetic resistive RAM. It is newer RAM. Data is stored by magnetic charges in place of electronic charge. I think it is quite enough for today. Now, all of you are ready to give answers of my questions. Try them. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.